So let's talk about generating credit repair leads, especially if you are brand new to the credit repair industry. You're a beginner without going into all the advanced kind of SEO stuff and video marketing. Let's just talk about the basics, how to start drumming up some business.
Yeah, so we are Mark and Grace, and we are serial entrepreneurs, and we pretty much cover everything, right? So if you're just starting out with credit repair, we have a few ways that you can kind of ramp up your clientele. So we always like to say, give them something for free, right? Start with something free. I mean, how can we offer that? Like you would cultivate an offer.
Right. So exactly. So number one, just offer to do credit repair for somebody who is, say, a friend or family for free. Offer to do the service because their testimonial is going to be social proof that will definitely allow you to get more referrals and allow you to prove what you can do. Other than that, there's other free things, like you could offer to do a free credit report for somebody. So you could just have a simple social media post. If anybody wants a free copy of their credit report or an analysis of that credit report, even better, meaning that you'll go over it with them and point out some things that might be able to be cleaned up. That would be a great way to get
something you can do that you can tack on with that is to add something that they have to do, right? So give them something of value and then say, well, now can you do a Facebook post and tag me or refer 3 friends to me? I can do this for free for you, but I need you to refer 3 friends or something like that. That's always helpful.
Yep, that is. And then you could even take it a step further if you wanted to do like email list building. So you could offer a top 10 credit repair, credit building tips. Just like a guide that gives them basically some kind of generic tips, but in exchange for them getting that, you get their email, and then you can kind of send them out email reminders of what it is you offer.
So, brilliant.
Yep. So, okay, next. Well, the good old networking. And so just think about who has clientele that would need your services. Well, anybody in the lending, right? So I find this works especially well with small car dealerships. All right. Usually those smaller dealerships, well, they're still lending to people, but they're doing it directly and in-house. And they don't have that big roll of banks or in-house financing. They're using different credit companies. So their clientele that they're generally going to see are people who probably have things on their credit. And so it would be real easy to just network with them, email back and forth and say, listen, and don't just ask for business from them, but offer to exchange. If somebody comes to me, I feel like they're a good credit threshold for you, I'd recommend your dealership, but vice versa. If they're just below the margin for you being able to finance, send them my way. I'll get their credit improved over the course of 3 months or so, send it back to you.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's the give and the take. And that's one thing we don't often recommend going into a business because you're interrupting their day. However, if it's something like that and you want to leave business cards and have a conversation with them and say, hey, look, here's my business card. If anybody needs their credit bumped up, we'd be happy to help and be even exchange.
Right. Let's do something mutually beneficial.
Yeah. So something other than that I was thinking about. So I have a lot of friends that are in accounting and they have clients that they're either struggling or they have some issues with their credit. So you want to get in the circle of people like that who are in the accounting space. Again, same thing. You have a client, I can help them. They're still going to come back to you because we've helped them. It's a mutual benefit.
Right. Anybody who is in consumer law or consumer bankruptcy attorneys, anybody who's in that arena, they are going to have. See, not everybody qualifies for bankruptcy. So sometimes you come to a bankruptcy attorney and you've got some bad credit, but you aren't a fit for bankruptcy. So they would be somebody who maybe would refer right back to you for credit repair. So again, an easy win, and vice versa. You could ask these law firms, what is the criteria you're looking for somebody to qualify for bankruptcy? And I will send them, if they come to me for credit repair and they're way beyond that, I will send them to you. Yep. So what else?
There's one other special one.
Yeah.
There's directories.
So there's only a few credit.
Yeah. And ours is one. So Noble Legal Pros, and we are one of the only ones that offer several services that you can list, and credit repair is one of them.
Credit repair is one of them.
At a low price.
It is very low price. And yeah, so there's only a couple credit repair directories. What is especially unique about the function of Noble Legal Pros is that you can create your own content on that platform, borrow the platform's authority, And then it makes it really easy for you to get online exposure without being some kind of a wizard at this stuff. Fortunately, credit repair, when it comes to marketing local credit repair services, it's actually really low competition. So it's pretty easy to stand out, especially if you're piggybacking off a directory. So I think that covers it. That's a good place to start. Now, we do have a $27 credit repair course if you are looking to break into the industry, or if you're already in it, but you want to see how to do maybe some video marketing or how to tweak your Google listings. We cover some of that in that course as well. So link for that will be in the description as well. And we will see you guys on the next one.
God bless you.